Good morning to all. I am Professor Manavalam. Now we are going to see about the modern methods of performance appraisal. It is a continuation of traditional methods of performance appraisal. Modern performance appraisal method, it is mainly focusing on continuous improvement and development of the employees, and also it is prioritizing the regular check-ins. It is providing ongoing feedback, and it is one of the collaborative efforts. Under this, the first method is assessment centers. Assessment center means it is nothing but, so here they are choosing one place as a central location, here where the managers from the different department, they come together and they are participating in job related exercises. So the managers are evaluated by the trained observers. It are also evaluated based upon the certain competencies such as communication, their interpersonal skill, mental alertness, intellectual capability, planning and organization capability, motivation, career orientation, and self-confidence of the participants. These are all the competencies are assessed under this method. An assessment center, it is typically involved using certain types of methods to assess the department heads. So, that is social or informal events, tests and exercises, and assignments. These assignments are similar to the job what they are going to be get in future. So based upon if they are getting promoted in future means what role they are going to play, that type of assignments they are giving and making them to do that exercise. So how they are performing, based upon that they are assessing and giving marks to them. So here the trained evaluators, they are observing and evaluating the employees as they are performing the assigned jobs, and it will be evaluated based upon the job related characteristics. In this method, it is reducing the biasness, and also it is providing the better approach towards the identifying the candidates for promotion or special transfer. But it is one kind of time consuming method and a costly method, because we have to recruit the observer or rater to rate the persons or employees in an organization. Second method, behaviorally anchored rating scale. So in this name itself we can know very well. So here they are assessing the behavior of each individual. So this is a relatively new method which is designed to identify the critical areas of the jobs. It combines the graphic rating scale as well as critical incidence method. This method may consist of set of 5 to 10 vertical scales. It consists of 5 to 10 vertical scale, and each scale representing a major performance dimension of the job. So this is the example of behaviorally anchored rating scale. So this is one given example how a employee they are dealing with the customer. This is one example they have given. And one more example here, job role is nurse, how they are dealing with the difficult patient. That is the dimension that what it should be evaluated. So under rating 1, some of the nurses are coming. So what behavior they exhibited means often they are impatient with the difficult patient, and they regularly needs others nurses help to deal with this kind of patient. According under rating 2, who are all coming means the nurses who are occasionally impatient with a difficulty patient, they rarely needs other nurses help to deal with this kind of patient. Under rating 3, some of the nurses are coming, they are never impatient with a difficult patient, they are showing sympathy towards the patient. Next, under rating 4, they are never impatient with a difficult patient, they are showing empathy, and also they are with the help of other nurses they are dealing with a difficult patient. Under rating 5, they are never impatient with the difficult patient, they are showing the sympathy, and they are dealing with the patient without anyone help. So this is the method they are assessing the each employee behavior. Next method is human resource accounting method. So this concept was first developed by Sir William Petty in the year of 1691, but further it was developed by the Reynes Leggett. So main theory underlying this HRA is human resources are valuable asset for any organization. This asset can be valued in terms of money. So when competent and well trained employees they are leaving from the organization, the human asset of the particular organization is automatically getting decreased and vice versa. So in this method, the performance appraisal of the employees is judged based upon the cost and the contribution of the employee. So the cost of the employee, it may include all the expenses what organization spending for that particular employee. Take example, the compensation fees, recruitment and selection cost, induction and training cost. So everything included under this. If one human which will or one employee is leaving from the particular organization, definitely the cost it will be increased for them to further recruiting the further person. The difference between the cost and the contribution will be the performance of the employees. So ideally the contribution of the employee should be greater than the cost incurred on them. So this method, it does not leave any room for misunderstanding between the manager as well as the employee. But one disadvantage of this method is workers are always interested to deliver the good result. So these are all some of the example for human resource management. So it is mainly fit for startups and small businesses. Thank you all. Continuation of this part 2 we will see in next PowerPoint.